My video guide will give you instructions on getting rid of pop-up windows that are associated with the website newlistiong.com. So this is the deceptive website that is similar to many other pages that try to force you into subscribing to its push notifications. The main purpose of these pages is to open 2-3 other questionable, potentially malicious pages or to load deceptive content. Usually a message is encouraging visitors to click the allow button, and you can see this obviously on your screen that there is some message instructing you to click on allow. However, remember that clicking on this allow button is a very serious mistake that may lead to a lot of problems for your entire computer. As I said, if you click on this allow button, you will start getting a lot of strange ads that will be popping up randomly and attacking your screen greatly. The danger of these pop-up ads by newlistiong.com is that they may point you to many junk sites that may infect the system with malware or with adware or other potentially unwanted programs. If you have clicked on allow button, you need to fix your browser by going to the menu, clicking on settings, then go to privacy and security, site settings, and in permissions choose notifications. Research the allow area and you need to find this questionable site and delete it from the list. Finally, I recommend you to scan your Windows computer with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software and inspecting your system with this tool, and this will help you to detect other possibly hidden threats on your PC. How to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for fixing your Windows computer and browser-related problems. The program is initially in the trial mode. You may select the preferred scan type, however, remember that full scan or custom scan are only the parts of the premium version. There are some other good features in Combo Cleaner, like big files and duplicates checker. You may consider using these features. But if you want to get your PC fully fixed or at least inspected, consider the quick scan in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. The program will begin scanning your computer, and it will soon discover certain problems related to your available browsers or possibly related to the other issues with your Windows computer. Then the program at the end of scan will give you the full report about the current condition of your Windows computer and Windows related browsers. You may then get the clear image of what is going on with your computer, and you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the application to get all these troubles fixed and dealt with.